Uni Public School Boys Contingent is followed by Kangvai Higher Secondary School Girls Contingent, commanded by Manglim B with flag bearer Rameshwari. Next we have Living Water High School Girls Contingent, commanded by Kim Lily with flag bearer Nita. We have Living Water High School Girls Contingent, two contingents, commanded by Lamphil Kim with flag bearer Nita. Living Water High School Girls Contingent is followed by Mount Olive School, commanded by Priscilla with flag bearer Benau. Mount Olive School Girls Contingent is followed by Children Treasure High School, commanded by Chonglem Ning with flag bearer Chongnam. Children Treasure High School Girls Contingent is followed by Timunjang Uni Public School, commanded by Ngai Ning with flag bearer Nun Lin.